Hey, it's Krystle and I'm back with another wig review for y'all. Today we're going to be looking at 2 Amazon wigs, including the one that I have on now. I'm going to be styling these units for you guys. They are super affordable. As I'm styling them, we'll talk about pricing, we'll talk about the pros and the cons, and I'm just so excited to show you guys some affordable options, especially headed into the holiday season. So before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not already a part of my crew, and keep on watching. So the first wig that I want to show you guys is from Sindel Hair. I'm pretty sure I'm probably butchering the name, but I will drop the Amazon link down in the description box so you guys know where to find it. And this unit is pretty affordable. It is $39.99. This is what it looks like, you guys. It is like a loose wave, all right? You're gonna get this closure parting space right here, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Okay, now I have already cut the lace on this unit and I have tinted it a little bit. Now, a few things that I did notice as I was customizing this unit was the type of lace that's here in the middle. It is like very plasticky, not a thin type of lace, but we gonna get right on into it. I'm gonna show you guys how to finesse it. So let's go ahead and get right on into styling this unit, all right? Okay. So, initial reaction to okay, so this is a little bit snug. Let's look. Let me clip this back so I can show you guys what the hairline is looking like. Okay, this is pretty snug, you guys. So small and medium head ladies, this is going to be for you. Maybe not, well, maybe some medium heads can fit in here, but y'all, my 23.5-inch head is struggling a little bit. All right, I'm gonna have to just tap down from here to here and be sure to wear this unit down. I could also bring out my edges on the side, but I'm gonna show you guys how we can style this and finesse this, okay? finished installing this unit, and this is what I got. It ended up looking gorgeous. So if you guys want to hear about what I think about this unit, and if you should go ahead and add this one to your collection, go ahead and keep on watching. All right, so you guys, let's go ahead and get into the cons first. While I was installing this unit, after I cut the lace, I did notice the lace was a little bit different than what I have seen before in regards to closure units or just lace in general. The lace just seemed a little bit plasticky and thick. So it was a little bit hard to work with, but I was able to finesse my way. I did go in and use my pressed powder to open up this part a little bit better. The part was a little bit tight. Another thing that I noticed that was a con was that this isn't big head friendly. This is for your small and medium head girls. If you are a 23-inch or 23.5 or bigger head size circumference, you're gonna get some shortness on the hairline. So what I have here is I had to finesse my way and just tack down the wig from here to here. I didn't tack it down over here because it didn't cover up my ear tabs all the way. I'd have to kind of pull out my edges and lay it down with some edge control or got to be, and I didn't want to go through all of that. I knew if I was going to wear this unit for the rest of the day, it would be down anyways. So I went ahead and styled it that way. So if you do decide to grab this and you are a larger head circumference, that is something that you should keep in mind, that it isn't big head friendly, okay? The last con that I have is the shedding. Now this is a synthetic unit, it's a longer unit, and I did cut the lace, so it may not be true shedding, it may just be because I cut the lace on the unit, but I've styled it and I have still continued. Anytime I put my fingers in it, which synthetic units, you do want to keep your fingers out of it as much as possible, but I wanted to show you guys, like, every time I touch it, it's like a chunk. This is all the shedding that I've gotten so far. So it is a shedder, so keep that in mind. However, this is still a great unit for the price. This is only $39.99 on Amazon. So if you have an event or you have some pictures that you need to take, fall pictures, family, Christmas pictures coming up for the holidays, this is super cute. It would look cute with a fedora hat or, you know, just an event, out to dinner. This is not anything that I would recommend sleeping in or doing too much in. This is just a event unit or something that you can wear a few times. Now with the pros, the curl pattern is very, 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 very pretty. I love the luster, the natural luster. Although this is a synthetic unit, it's not giving off this Barbie doll type hair. It is a great quality premium fiber, so I will give them that. But overall, I would rate this unit about a 7, just because, a 7 out of 10, just because it isn't fitting all head sizes. The lace was a little bit difficult to deal with, but I was able to finesse my way, and I am experiencing some shedding. So overall, it's a cute, it looks really, really pretty. Like, it looks very, very, very pretty. I do love the curl pattern and all of that. However, I did run into some snag. Once again, it is only $39.99. I'm going to put the link down in the description box for you guys. Now, let's go ahead and get into the second unit. So to remove my units, all I do is I use my spray bottle. I figured I would get on and show you guys kind of how I do this. I use my spray bottle to take off the wig, and then the remaining product that's on my hairline, I just go in with some alcohol or witch hazel, whichever is closest to me. And I use a cotton round and I just wipe up the hairline. Also, are you guys seeing, this is just side note, are y'all seeing this skin though? Oh my gosh, I have been really focusing and being sweet to myself by taking better care of my skin. So if you guys want to know what I've been doing with my skincare, yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to do a video just going over my skincare routine, because I'd love to share it if that's something you guys would like to see. So now I have cleaned off my hairline and I have a fresh canvas. Let me show you guys the other unit. So what we have here, oh, I thought it was from the same store, but it looks like it's from a different store, but it's all Amazon, okay? This is who it is from. Yesoa Hair is how you say that. I have not cut the lace on this unit yet, okay? I have done nothing to this. So let's go ahead and look at what we have here. Okay, so, ooh, look at all this extra lace. No wonder there's a lace. No wonder there was a lace shortage last year. Look at all this lace. Oh my gosh, there's so much lace for that little itty bitty part. Okay, so what we have here is we have about the same curl pattern. It looks like a loose wave curl pattern. And this is a short unit. I can say right off the bat, this looks so pretty. I love this texture, like this loose wave type of texture. I love it. Beautiful. Okay, now we do have that parting space in here. It does seem kind of plasticky once again, just like the last unit. We got all this lace. We got 2 combs in the front. And then we have a comb in the back, so standard cap construction with the adjustable straps. I'm going to leave it on the last fitting because the last wig was a little bit snug. And let's try this on and see what it feels like. Huh. Okay, let me clip this back and see. So you guys can see this hairline. Well, it's not really a hairline. As you can see, you get no lace on the sides. Your lace is just gonna be right here in the parting space. Let me see how this is fitting. It is fitting a little bit snug. However, there's no lace on the sides, so you don't even have to worry about the sides showing. Okay. I'm actually gonna go and clip the little combs. I'm not clipping it in my hair, but I'm clipping it right up under my wig cap, just so I can see. This is still fitting a little bit small, but we gonna make it work, okay? Because I'm loving, I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. It really is pretty. Okay, so this is going to be for my beginners, okay? This is a great unit for beginners because you're only dealing with this little part of lace, okay? I'm not even going to tint the inside of the lace, to be honest. What I'm going to do, we're going to clip that hair back, pull this wig up. I am going to clip this back. Okay. That way, I don't have any hair in the way. The curl pattern is this loose wave, but it's, I don't know what kind of pattern to call this, but it's really pretty. I think it's really, really cute. This is a great beginner friendly wig. You're not having to deal with a lot of lace at all. Okay, you have those combs in the front. Also, if you wanted some added security, you could wear this unit with a wig grip. So you have that security. Because you don't have a lot of lace up here, it's only being held down right here. And then I told you I use those combs, and I'm using that comb in the back. You do have the adjustable straps to match your head size, and you can make that as loose or fit as much as you want. However, a wig grip, I feel, would give you that added security. I don't think this really needs any, I don't think it really needs any baby hairs. I think it looks pretty just like this. Yes, this is a great beginner friendly. This is great for anyone that maybe is just getting into wigs or have never worn a wig before, and you just want something pretty simple to start off with. Like I said, you're not having to deal with a lot of lace. I didn't even, it's laying pretty flat too on the parting space. I didn't really have to, I mean, since my flat iron, or since my Andis hot comb is already on, I'm just adding a little bit of heat, but you don't have to. I feel it's laying pretty flat. It's looking good, you guys, and I installed this pretty quick. I am very, very surprised. I'm very surprised. Okay, so if you guys want to hear about what I think about this unit, the pros and the cons and all the nitty gritties, go ahead and keep on watching. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get right on into the cons of this unit. In regards to the cons, I realized that this unit is a little bit snug. I have it on the largest setting, or the largest size. on the adjustable straps, and it's still a little bit snug on me. This does not have the lace on the side, so it's not anything that you have to worry too much about. But if you can see here, my edges are still sticking out a little bit, so it's a little bit snug, not as snug as the longer wig that I showed you earlier in the video, but this is fitting like medium to large. Small head girls, you can wear it too. Just adjust your straps in the back to the smallest fitting and you'll be good. This is a little bit more roomier than the wig before. Very, very easy to install, you guys. So in regards to the cons, that's really all that I have. Well I didn't see that hanging there. We are getting a little bit of shedding. It was just a little bit of lace that I cut right here, so we shouldn't be getting that much shedding. So we did get some shedding right here. And it may be because I cut the lace right there in the front. That is something to be mindful of. I have ran my hands through it throughout the styling process. Yeah, this is cute. Let me show you guys the back of this unit. On the side. And this is everything, all the hair to the front. Okay. This is cute. This is cute. Okay, so cons. It's a little bit snug. And we did get some shedding. It may not be true shedding though, because I did cut that little bit of lace right there. So that may be what's going on. So in regards to the pros, I love the curl pattern. I'm not experiencing tangling at all. I did not get any tangling. This is a shorter unit, so this is something that you could wear every day if you would like. However, it is falling right at that shoulder. So scarf season is here. You're wearing scarves, you're wearing those turtlenecks. This hair is going to be moving across that fabric. So you may get some tangling and some matting to start up here in the back, so be mindful of that. However, I do feel that the longevity of this wig is going to be longer than the unit that I showed you earlier in the video. This wig is also very affordable. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pricing because I can't remember it right off the top of my head. I want to say, but don't hold me on it, I want to say it's only $19.99. I'll go ahead and put the link to this unit down in the description box. Let me know what you guys are thinking about these units down in the comments. Once again, very, very affordable Amazon units. And before you leave, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out on anything when I upload to YouTube. Also, if you are not already following me on my Instagram, go ahead and head over to Instagram and follow me over there as well. I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.